In this video, I'll show you how to use Zip Pay Later card on Walmart. So first of all, you need to open the Walmart. You need to find the product you want to buy. For example, I will choose a random product from here. And when you choose the product, you need to click Add to Cart, then click View My Cart, and click Continue to Checkout. So you need to log into your Walmart account. And after that, you need to have the Zip Pay Later card. If you don't know what is Zip, you can split your payment into multiply payments. So you just need to open the Zip app or just Zip website, and you need to generate your Zip card, which will make your big payment into multiply small payments. And you need to add this Zip card like a normal debit or credit card. You need to link your card to Walmart and use it for the payment. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.